Hi, I'm Angela Gray. I'm the principal here at Southern Hills Career and Technical Center. Most recently, something that I'm very proud of is we've partnered with the Department of Disabilities, and we are now offering a program here at Southern Hills that's called Project Life, and we have students that have graduated high school but are not ready to embark upon the world of work. They're learning job skills and life skills, and that's in accord with their disability.
I'm right here to tell you how the welding here at Southern Hills, what we do, something like what we do fabrication for steel, we do D1 tests, we build barns, we build a little bit of fabricating, a little bit of everything. Channellock Tools is so important right here for the community and for our kids right here. Plus our kids get to go out and try the good tools that you all put out, which is 100%. I'm 100% behind Channellock Tools. You wouldn't believe the advantage I got over other clamps and other devices like that. We're right here on campus. When they go out, my students are 100% used to the tools, and most of the tools outside of our zone right here are Channelock. So I can't say enough about Channellock Tools, and everybody wins by this.
I am very proud of our welding students. They really are the upper tier students. Most of them have exceptional GPAs. They have jobs. They're really students that out in the community, a lot of people look up to. When you say that you're a part of the welding lab from Southern Hills, that really means something and it carries weight with it. We never have any issues from the welding department. They're really self-sufficient. They're hardworking and driven individuals, and I couldn't be more proud to be their principal.